This video, I went to my mate's place that he has a block of land. We went full driving, did some skids, went down some steep, muddy obstacles and stuff. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to tell me down in the comments. Please subscribe if you're new, like the videos, and comment down below saying what was your favorite part about this video or what I should do next. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video and let's start.
That was pretty good.
like when I first hit it, I'm like, ooh, because it went down and then it kept going down. But please, because I thought I broke it.
Oh, okay. Maybe go to the. Do you want to do drifts in it? Over here. Yep. Stop. Yeah, I did it. Keep going forward. More. Yeah. No. get down it? Yeah. You really? Okay. So it's fine. Should be fine, but just commit. Yeah.
I wasn't feeling on that side.
Nah, it's got like that much. Oh, it's gonna hit
What?
your toe ball.
Toe bar or tray?
The bar.
Bar.
Yeah.
Sure it's
Yeah.
not just this bar?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Should be. Yeah.
That's why I think it has to.
So now you know you can go down it.
Yeah, well, I've taken the toe ball out, so I'll get like that much extra.
Yeah.
Because like normally it sits like that far there,
Yeah.
and like when you manage that, it's
Yeah,
like
you
it hits
slid
here.
off it.
Yeah, because you can even see here where
Oh,
it's
yeah.
round.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like this spot of it.
Which one?
Oh, you smell stuff.
Is that your locker? Oh, yeah. So where's the mud?
Down there.
Just the same spot? Yeah, okay. Need to pick up. So lucky I didn't get any mud on me. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, back was like sort of not loving it. You're right.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I'll be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'll be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, oh. I close my eyes, I see the vision of this reading. Got me lifted, pour four, and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got this all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, aight. Cause I'ma do it my way, shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she loves me, I told her who are you, ayy. I ain't with that lame shit since I took at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted, lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit, I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Whoa, oh, oh, I be so exhausted. Whoa, oh, oh, I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it I'ma hold me down. I done made it through the storm.